Well, it's been another busy week in the European Parliament here in Brussels, a week when we welcomed the Ospreys Choir that performed here. They did a concert in the Parliament, and we also had Welsh cheese from Bryn Avon. And I've been having a lot of meetings this week on the report that I'm doing for the Environment Committee on chemicals in electronic products. But we've also had the pleasure of the company of Gwenllian Jones here this week. She's come on a week's work experience and has spent this week doing what, Gwenllian, in Parliament?
I've been really lucky being able to sit in on many different conferences, from everything from future farming to the situation in Palestine. And it's been such a good experience to be able to do so many different things and see how the Parliament works and how everyone works together.
And you've been here in a week when Wales has figured quite prominently.
Yeah. It was very good seeing the Ospreys Choir singing on Tuesday night and hearing all the Welsh hymns again. It was really good.
And have you had a chance to practice your language skills?
Yeah, as a student of French, I've been able to practice quite a lot, as French is quite a predominant language in the Parliament, and I've heard so many different languages being here, and it's so nice to hear such a variety of people here.
So would you recommend to other people, to students and to young people, that they should do the same and come here to experience the life in the Parliament and see if they might come back and work here in future?
Yeah, I think it's an excellent opportunity for everyone to see how Europe works and how everything is regulated here, and it's such a good experience for them to be a part of that. Thank you for giving that opportunity.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you.